Alright, welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today I'm going to be walking you through this used Sea Ray 310 SLX that we got on trade. Right now we have it blocked in our shed here at our Rogers location. As you can see on the exterior, we do have some blue on the hull with a white accent stripe and white on the bottom. Alongside here you can see that nice integrated Sea Ray logo as you see on all the boats. A little bit farther here, you got stainless steel spots for your fenders, goes along the boat. And you do have a swim platform here, really spacious swim platform. Got speakers facing aft as well to give you some extra sound if you're ever hanging out in the back. And you can see twin cruiser engines on this boat with that submersible swim platform right above it. So if you want to go swim out in the water, that does lower, and it gives you an option to either sit on that and lounge in the water or use that as a step to get back on the swim platform. All right, so that was the exterior here. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, welcome inside this used Sea Ray that we have here at our Rogers store. All right, so right away, let's show you the aft-facing seating. So you do have adjustable seating here, so you can lift these up. Use that as a backrest. You can do that on the other side as well. And you also do have a Fusion audio head unit in the back here, so if you want to control your sound, like you're lounging out in the back of your boat, you do have that option. All right, stepping aboard. You have the sea deck flooring here. Some of that is removable if you did want to scrub under there and clean that off. You got the wraparound seating here as well. Nice table in the center that does swivel and adjust. And the speakers of that Fusion audio you can find throughout the boat. This is the subwoofer here. Gives you that enhanced bass that you can see for really high quality audio. Now, as we turn around, got a small little galley area. Got a sink there, drainable. You basically use that for washing off your hands. And this you can use, you can put in ice in there. It does have a little spot to drain. Now on the bottom, you do have a fridge. Opens up like so. Open that up. There's your fridge access. This closes back up as well. All right, coming up to the opposite side of the helm here, you have dual helm chairs, both with bolsters. So they do flip up. It's a little bit higher, so if you want to see a little bit easier above your windshield, you do have that option. Now under here, you do have a well-appointed head. See your toilet in there, sink in there as well. A little window so you can access seeing outside. And a few spots for storage as well. Look at the helm. Really well-appointed helm. You got dual screens here, Simrad displays. You got Fusion audio you control from there as well. A few buttons to control some easy access points of the boat. Also, you got, since it is twin engines, usual throttle and shift for both of those. And this one is appointed with the joystick control as well. Super silky smooth, easy control when docking or any spots where a little trickier to get through. All right, and coming up to the bow, a really spacious bow here, a lot of seating here, some deep seating actually as well. On these loungers, got armrests you can use on those. Windshield does flip over, like so. You got an air dam you can flip over as well, block off that wind. Or if it's just a cool morning that you're trying to run out in the boat, you don't have to worry so much about that cool air. So that was the used Sea Ray 310 SLX that we have here at our Rogers store. If you want to take a look at that in person, feel free to give us a call or just walk right in and check it out. As always, feel free to like and subscribe. We're putting out videos every day. Thanks a lot.